Want to see how much your competitors are making on Walmart? This tool reveals it in seconds. So if we're on Walmart right now, what we can do is just type in Pokemon plush, right? And then we can look at different Pokemon plush, right? And if we want to sell a Pokemon plush, what we can do is see what's the most popular, but not what's the most popular, what's making the most amount of money. And there's an extension called X-Ray by Helium 10. There's a link in the description to get a free trial for Helium 10. And it literally tells you monthly revenue. So we can see Walmart revenue on here. We can see this Pokemon, obviously it's Pikachu, is making $21,000 a month on Walmart. So if we wanted to resell this, we could. Pikachu's a little bit competitive. So I would want to do it. We could see the Snorlax, insane, is making $49,000 a month. And we can actually click on it, get more details. A lot of these, we can also see more details like their ASIN. So if it is on Amazon, we could see the ASIN. Obviously, if it's on Amazon, there might be more competitors. This Snorlax is not on Amazon. And if it is on Amazon, sometimes we can see the Amazon sales graph, how much it's making on Amazon, and different content quality scores and different ratings so you can make the product better yourself, right? But if we click through, this is a different Snorlax. I want to see how much this one is just sold by a third party, a random person that's shipping it from their house potentially. We can see how much they're making. And right now they're not really making any money, it says. So again, maybe it's best. Well, their images and quality is not as good for sure. But this is the one that's making tons of money. And if we kind of look at this, obviously it's a top pick. And we want to look at the price. We want to look at everything and see what we can do to compete. But let's look at more data. You can dive in and just look at this product altogether. And you can see the amount of reviews, the amount of images, if there is an ASIN, a lot of different aspects on here. And it just shows you how much money they're making. Another item, the Disney movie Stitch just came out. We can run this and see how much this item is making. And they're making $36,000. So again, another potential item. Is this one on Amazon? This one's not on Amazon. So again, this is a great tool just to see how much competitors are making and then double down on those areas where competitors are making money, right? You don't want to sell a Pokemon that's making no money at all. And then kind of just go from there. We've got Eevee, we've got all these different Pokemon, and you can double check Gengar. I'm sure Gengar's making a lot. You can double check with this app. That's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, call Walmart, customer service, advertising, implementing tools, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time working on your Walmart business and expanding it while we're doing the day-to-day operations, helping you increase sales, save time, and money. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.